Hi friends, welcome to DM classes. Let us continue with practice set 1.2. Question number 7. In the adjoining figure, if AB parallel to CD parallel to EF, then find X and AE, X and AE. Diagram. A, B, C, D, E and F. BD equal to 8, AC equal to 12 and DF equal to 4. Find AE, C equal to X. Solution. Line AB parallel to line DC parallel to line EF. It is given. Therefore, BD divided by DF equal to AC divided by CE by property of three parallel line and their transversal. Therefore, BD equal to 8 divided by DF equal to 4 equal to AC equal to 12 divided by CE equal to X. By cross multiplication, 8X equal to 12 into 4. Therefore, X equal to 12 into 4 divided by 8. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. Therefore, X equal to 6 units. Now, A equal to AC plus CE, AC plus CE, because ACE are collinear points. ACE are collinear points. Equal to AC equal to 12 plus CE, C equal to X. 12 plus X equal to 6. Therefore, AE equal to 12 plus 6 equal to 18 units. Therefore, 6 units and X equal to 6 units and A equal to 18 units. Answer. Question number 9. In triangle ABC, segment BD bisects angle ABC if AB equal to X, BC equal to x plus 5, AD equal to x minus 2 and DC equal to x plus 2. Then find the value of x. Diagram. A, B, C. AD equal to x minus 2, DC equal to x plus 2, BC x plus 5 and AB x. Solution. In triangle ABC, segment BD bisects angle ABC. It is given. Therefore, AB divided by BC equal to AD divided by DC by property of angle bisector of a triangle. Angle bisector of a triangle. Therefore, AB equal to x divided by BC, BC equal to x plus 5 equal to AD equal to x minus 2 and divided by DC equal to x plus 2. By cross multiplication, x into x plus 2 equal to x minus 2 into x plus 5. X into x square plus x into 2 equal to 2x equal to x into x square, x into 5x minus plus minus 2 into x equal to 2x plus minus 5 2 ja 10. X square से x square cancel. Therefore, two x equal to 5x minus 2x equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3x minus 10. 2x minus 3x equal to minus 10. 2x minus 3x equal to minus x equal to minus 10. Minus minus cancel. Therefore, x equal to 10. AD equal to x minus 2. Therefore, 10 minus 2 equal to 8. AD equal to 8. DC equal to x plus 2. Therefore, 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Same as BC equal to x plus 5. X equal to 10. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Question number 11. In triangle ABC, ray BD bisects angle ABC and ray CE bisects angle ACB. if segment AB it's congruent to segment AC, then prove that ED parallel to side BC. Proof. In triangle ABC, ray BD bisects angle ABC. It is given. Therefore, AB divided by BC equal to AD divided by DC. It is denoted by first equation by property of angle bisector of a triangle. Also, in triangle ABC, ray CE bisects angle ACB. Therefore, AC divided by BC equal to AE divided by EB. It is denoted by second equation by property of angle bisector of a triangle. But segment AB equal to segment AC. It is denoted by third equation. It is given. We know that AB equal to AC, that is AB divided by BC equal to AE divided by EB. It is denoted by fourth equation from equation second and third. Therefore, AD divided by DC equal to AE divided by EB from equation first and fourth. First equation equal to AB divided by BC equal to AD divided by DC, and AB equal to AB divided by DC, BC equal to AE divided by EB. That is, both are equal from equation first and fourth. Therefore, ED parallel to BC by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Thank you. If you like the video, please press the bell icon.